Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. My name is Girish Lokhande and in this session we are going to talk about the entering data to the tables, right? And in this session we are going to learn different shortcuts. In previous session we have learned different methods of inserting tables into the Word document. So without a further ado, let's start the video. So here are some keys and their uses, right? So what is the first key? It is tab. You can find these keys on your keyboard. You can find shift, tab, page up, page down, alt and home, etc. End tab. These are all the keys you can see on your keyboards. So with the help of those keys you can move or you can enter the data in tables, right? So what is the first key? It is tab. What is the use of it? It allows moving from cell to cell in a left to right direction. Okay, let me zoom it and show it. So tab, what is the use of tab? Allows moving from cell to cell in a table in left to right direction. So just below this, here is the exercise table where I am going to practice it. So what I am going to do, I am just pressing tab, 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 tab. So you can see here that using the tab key you can move to the table, move in a table in left to right direction. So what is the use of shift tab now? Shift tab. See, read it. It allows moving from cell to cell in a table in the right to left direction. Okay, just opposite to the tab key, shift tab is used to move from cell to cell in a right to left direction. So let me practice that also. Where is my cursor now? Okay, let me take my cursor over here. Now shift tab. I am pressing shift and then I am not releasing the finger from shift. It is on there. So shift tab, 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 tab. See here. You can move in reverse order. By using only tab, you can move in left to right, correct? And by using shift tab, you can move from right to left direction. Now what is page up? Alt plus page up. Third one is alt plus page up. And fourth one is alt plus shift plus page up. So alt plus page up we will see first. What is it? It takes you to the beginning of the column in a table. So wherever my cursor is, the cursor goes to the beginning of the column in the table. Now let's say my cursor is here. Check my cursor position. It is just, you can observe, it is here, right? Now after pressing alt plus page up, you have to press and hold alt key. Don't release the finger from alt key, and along with the alt key you have to press page up. On keyboard you can find page up, right? You can see the change has been done. My cursor was here. After pressing alt plus page up, it went to the beginning of the column in a table. Now you can practice for this column also. Alt plus page up. Okay, in the same column it goes to the first position of that column only. Now what is alt plus shift plus page up? Alt plus shift plus page up allows to select from the beginning of the column to the current place in a table. Fine. So let's say my cursor is here now. You can see here my cursor position. It is here. Fine. Now after pressing alt plus shift plus page up, alt plus shift plus page up, what happens? From the current position, all the cells of that column only are selected till the first column. means till the first beginning of that column, right? You can see here Alt plus Shift plus page up. Understood? For this column, the cursor is at the very end of the column. Alt plus Shift plus page up, right? So I think you have understood this. Now Alt plus page down. What is the use of Alt plus page down? Alt plus page down, it allows to go, right? It allows to go to the end of the column in a table. It allows to go to the end of the column in a table. Now let's say my cursor is here, okay, at the first row, second column. Here you can see first row, second column here. Now when I press Alt plus page down, what happens? My cursor goes to the end of that column only. Now let's say my cursor is here at the very last column, that is fourth column, but it is the beginning of fourth column. Let me press Alt plus page down. Basically it goes to the end of that column only. In the first column, Alt plus page down, it goes to the very last column. Fine. So let's see Alt plus Shift plus page down now. Alt plus Shift plus page down. It is over here, right? Allows to select from the current place to the end of the column in a table. Okay. So current position, suppose it is here. Fine. Now Alt plus Shift plus page down, entire will be selected. Now let's say my cursor is here now. Okay. Fine. Okay, my cursor is over here. When I press Alt plus Shift plus page down, what should happen? From current position, entire column should be selected. From the current position, entire column should be selected. You can see here. Now let me select this column. Alt plus Shift plus page down. From this position, entire column should be selected. Understood? Okay, very good. For this column, Alt plus Shift plus page down. I hope you understood this. Now what is Alt plus Home? It takes you to the beginning of a row in a table, right? Alt plus Home, it takes you to the beginning. It takes you to the beginning of a row in a table. Fine. So let's see quickly this. Suppose my cursor is over here. You can see my cursor position. It is over here. Fine. So let me press Alt plus Home. Alt plus Home. Yes, you can see the cursor position has been taken to the beginning of that row only. Suppose I have taken my cursor to the second row, third column. Now let me press Alt Home. It has taken me to the beginning of that row only. Now see, let me show you by zooming. My cursor is now on the third row and fourth column. See here. Okay, wait. Third row, fourth column. Right. You can see here it is blinking. And after pressing Alt plus Home, it has taken, the cursor control has been taken to the first position or the beginning position, right? So similarly you can try these three on your laptop or computer, or simply you can read this. Fine. So I hope you understood this session. In case of any queries or any difficulties or any doubts, you can contact me at any time. So we will stop here. Bye. Take care.